How to change Yahoo password.
Hey everyone, it's me Jessica from Create, Login and Delete. So let's get started with the tutorial.
Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial to change your Yahoo password. So using a web browser, all you have to do is open any preferred web browser on a device, then simply tap on the search address bar and go to Yahoo's login page or simply visit yahoo.com and hit enter. Now, log into your account, enter your Yahoo email address and current password. As you can see, I'm already logged into my account. Now, all you have to do is click on your profile icon at the top right corner. Then, from the drop down menu, all you have to do is select Manage Your Account option available in there. Now, once you tap on the Manage Your Account, then inside the account info, you will get to see many tabs available at the top. Make sure to tap on the security and scroll down, and there you can see change password option available. All you have to do is tap on it, and once you tap on it, you'll be navigated to enter your new password. So now create your new password. Make sure it is strong password. Then simply click on the continue or save to change your password.